In this video, I'll guide you through how to change a logo in Brevo. Whether you're refreshing your brand identity or simply updating your campaign visuals, changing your logo in Brevo is a straightforward process. Let's dive right in and walk through the steps together. First, we're going to head over to brevo.com. Make sure you're logged into your account so that you have access to all the features we'll be using today. Once you're on the home page, navigate your cursor to the navigation menu at the top. Here, you'll want to click on the option labeled Marketing. This section is your hub for all marketing-related activities within Brevo, including managing your campaigns and assets. Once you've clicked on Marketing, you'll see various options pop up. Look for the one called Campaigns and click on it. This will take you to the dashboard where all your active and inactive campaigns are listed. Here, you can view the details of each campaign, including performance metrics and design elements. Now, select the specific campaign where you want to change the logo. Hover over it, and you'll notice an edit icon appearing, usually represented by a small pencil or gear symbol. Click on that icon to start editing your campaign. This will open up the campaign editor, where you can make changes to various components, including the design and content of your emails. With the campaign editor open, the next step is to click on Start Designing. This button will take you to the design interface where you can modify the visual aspects of your campaign. It's a user-friendly area, allowing you to customize templates and add different elements to your emails. Now, you'll see a range of templates displayed. Browse through them and select the template you're currently using or wish to use. Once you've made your selection, click on the Use Template button. This action will open the template editor, giving you full access to modify and personalize the elements within that template. In the template editor, locate the logo section. This is usually situated at the top of your email layout, as it's a key branding element. Click on the logo itself to activate the editing options. A toolbar or menu will typically appear, offering various options related to the logo. With the logo selected, look for the Replace option within the editing toolbar or menu. Clicking Replace will prompt you to upload a new image. Ensure that the new logo file you choose is in a compatible format, such as JPEG or PNG, and is optimized for web use to maintain fast loading times and clear display quality. Once you've uploaded your new logo, take a moment to preview how it looks within the template. This is your opportunity to make any necessary adjustments to size or positioning, ensuring that your logo is displayed prominently and fits well with the overall design of your email. When you're satisfied with how everything looks, go ahead and save your changes. And there you have it. You've successfully updated your logo in Brevo. Remember, keeping your branding consistent across all platforms is key to maintaining a strong brand identity. So, whenever you make updates to your logo or other brand elements, ensure they are reflected across all your marketing channels. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Brevo and other digital marketing tools. Happy designing!